In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the engine air filter on your Toyota Camry. Let's get started. Loosen the two 10mm bolts on either side of the air box. Our box only has one. Lift up on the air box and remove the air filter. Install the new air filter. There's one hard corner that's going to go in the back, with the large side of the filter going down. Install it into the air box. Make sure the box clicks together in the back. And snug down the two bolts.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.